can learn from this project is how to batch and sequence a number of different projects that you are working on at the same time. With this family, they had an issue with multiple bathrooms in their house. But how do you take on 2 bathroom projects while staying in budget and staying on a timeline that makes sense while you still have a busy, active family? Let's go check it out. At the 3D design, you can see that there's a ton of beautiful arches already in this space. But the thing the homeowner pointed out once we were installing the walls was how square these corners were. Of all of the beautiful rounded spaces, they really felt like the corners of the shower were taking away from the historical romantic aesthetic that we've been aiming for this whole time. So this idea came up to add these decorative corbels, which is a fine idea until you consider how you're going to waterproof those. I mean, we have drywall on the outside. This has been a process to get this beautiful arch here. I mean, there's a whole lot of work and craftsmanship and time that it takes to get that right, along with the framing that we built behind it. I mean, we literally built this out of cardboard first and stood here with the homeowner. I think there was 6 people in this room looking at this piece of cardboard, trying to figure out what the right size, what the right scale, how far it should come down, how we were gonna balance that. Then we had to demo the walls to build this framing piece behind it. And now we're just waiting on a piece of the solid surface to come in. So we're gonna take this solid surface and we're gonna cut it to trace the inside so that way we have a waterproof layer within the tub. And then on the outside, we've got our drywall that's already underway that's gonna be painted this beautiful buttery color that we have on the walls. So again, a change that we didn't see coming, but one that I think is gonna make a huge difference in just the finished project.